Meaning of foundling.
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 Foundling. A foundling is an infant that has been abandoned and left without identification or a known parentage. Foundlings have been a common occurrence throughout history, particularly in times of war or social upheaval. In some cases, foundlings have been taken in by charitable organizations or brought up in orphanages. The fate of individual foundlings has varied widely depending on the circumstances of their discovery and the cultural attitudes towards them. While efforts have been made to identify and reunite foundlings with their biological families, many remain unidentified and their origins unknown.